It's rainy today out, guys. We are actually shopping for a car. As you can see, we're here at Maradi Suzuki. Sohit and Hartish are outside. I'm inside with baby Lavish. He's sleeping, guys. He was feeling tired after eating breakfast, so him and I are sitting in the car while he sleeps. They're outside. The weather is really nasty today. I think around lunchtime we have to go to his big kaka's house to start preparations for Ganesh. So we'll be there till evening, I think around 8-9 o'clock, and then we'll be there again tomorrow, full day. Guys, right now we are traveling in what, Panda?
Right now we are in Fatoda.
Fatoda.
Fatoda, we're going towards Ponda because supposedly these car dealerships, they say, oh model na, to model na, this car is not available, that car is not available. I don't like that. It should be available. If I want to buy something, it should be available. Well, I'm not going to wait for 6 months or 2 months or 3 months. If I'm spending my money, car right now. I'm not gonna wait. And it's a registration, you have to wait for how long?
We're traveling to another dealership to go see if they have what we're looking for. I'll show you where we are.
So right now I think this is the Raya. We're in
Raya. So right now we're in Raya, traveling to,
going towards Ponda.
going towards Panda.
Ponda.
Pondo.
No, not Panda. Ponda.
I didn't say,
Ponda. Say Ponda.
Pondo.
Yeah.
Pondo, guys. Pondo. Pondo. Guys, look at the nice mountains in the back. Can you see them? So nice, me. Beautiful.
We're gonna go on the road to Ponda. Let's see if they have some. Oh guys, we just got back. We went from one car dealership to another. We went to the North showroom, and then from where we went to some other, what was it, Suzuki showroom in Fatorda, and then we went to Ponda, and we asked them for a car, and everybody kept saying, oh, you gotta book it, you gotta order it, and everybody said you can't get it, registration is not gonna be done today, you have to wait. And then I called my buddy at Nexa, and I said, listen, I need a car before Ganesh Chaturthi. That's it. No booking done, no nothing done. And I told him, if you can make it happen,
Can you lock that, guys?
I will pay cash, but I need the car by this evening. And he said he had one. First, I told him, I said, I'm going to give you a deposit, but I need the car within few hours. I think there was, what, 2 or 3 hours? We gave him the deposit, and I said, registration. All I have here is what a OCI card, Indian driver license, Indian passport, mom's house light bill, and I said that's all I have. And then they were like, oh, you gotta have this, you gotta have that, you gotta give me affidavit. So finally he said, I said whatever money it takes, I need a new car because my kids can't be suffering in my old car because the AC don't work. It's been 20 years. I mean, that car did good for me, but my kids are more important than my car. So I said, let's get a car. And Melvin at Chogle's, Nexa's, he made this thing happen. He actually is a relationship manager over there, but he's actually an actor as well, which I'll show you a picture in the link so you guys can see. He acted in the Konkani movie, I think. He's a really good guy. So anybody, if you guys are looking for a car, we are about to go now to pick up the car. We're just gonna finish our puja here and then go and head out and pick up my car. And see you later on.
We're here at Nexa.
Yeah, Nexa.
We're buying a new car, guys.
I have my car is 20 years old. It's about to fall apart, so we need a new car. Show them my old car.
This is Sohit. This is Sohit's
car.
old car of 20 years. Also just met one of our followers at the E-Mart. I took a snapshot with him. I'm gonna post that for you guys. We gave him a little goodie bag. Hopefully we'll start keep seeing people so we can also give you goodie bags. New car, guys.
So this is your chocolate the sugar is invoice copy. This is an invoice copy, insurance copy. Okay. And this is the original copy of the insurance.
Should be quiet.
If you're crossing the state amount,
Look at his cheeks when they were so
Stop pointing.
It's gonna like hit him.
no, this is already, it is recharged.
Look.
It's already recharged of 200 rupees. Once you cross the
down, then goes the other.
yeah, you have to recharge. This is the main thing. This is the RC really. Registered car is the car. Okay.
I'll see when you get
RC में
certificate registration.
yeah, correct. Okay. So यहाँ तो पहले
I need you to stop running.
this a booklet होगा. Booklet का change होगा. That will be coming after maybe 2 months.
My address.
So the same address which have been for the registration.
Which is
Which is the same address. So voting card दिखाना कोई voting card देने. Tell you same address.
1912. Okay. Then they know who it is.
If there is no one there to receive it, it will go back.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it, guys. Getting my brand new car after 20 years. 20 years. And this is my man, Melvin. If anybody wants a new car, come and see Melvin. You are the
Relationship manager.
he is the relationship manager down here at Nexa at
Chocolates.
Fatorda Chocolates in Fatorda, Goa. So if you want any Nexa Suzuki car, come and see this man. He's my buddy. I told him if you can't make it happen today, I don't want the car because tomorrow is Ganesh and my car needs to be at my house for Ganesh. And he made it happen. Even though whatever is, I've been to different dealerships today and yesterday, and they were all giving me the runaround and saying, "Oh no, I don't have the car. I don't have this car. I don't have this car." This man right here made it happen. So if you guys need a car, come and see this man. All right? See you to the car.
Alright.
There you go. All right. That's it. एकदम चकाचक क्या हमारी गाड़ी. So what do you think about the car? What do you think? कैसा? Yeah? Oh, look at the doggy. That's it, guys.
Oh, do one.
I didn't need no fancy, no fancy gari. Just a normal, regular car, which is easy to maintain and easy to keep and cheap. Maruti Suzuki is the best.